Hi, I'm Doug Wallman. We are going to be doing an unboxing today of this window, what's it called? Bird's Eye View Window Bird Feeder by Nature Anywhere. Actually, the box is empty. I unboxed this back in May, and I was waiting and waiting for some bird activity, and it took a while. Hi, I'm Doug Wallman. I'm going to be unboxing this bird feeder from Nature Anywhere. Got it off of Amazon. It's a window bird feeder house by Nature Anywhere with sliding feed tray. That was the description anyway. Let's see. Try to make it easy on myself here. It's pretty snug in that bag. So I'm going to be reading this informational brochure that came with the bird feeder. Welcome to the family. Thank you for purchasing the Nature Anywhere Bird's Eye View feeder. The Nature Anywhere Bird's Eye View window feeder comes ready to use out of the box. Here are a few tips to help you enjoy the wonders of nature at your window. Clean and dry the window before installing the bird's eye view. Choose a window overlooking the area most popular with your garden birds. It can take up to 5 weeks before birds learn to trust a feeder. Have patience. They will come. It actually took us a little bit longer than that. I think like several months, maybe 5. To help speed things up, sprinkle bird seed around the feeder. Dunk the vacuum pads in hot water and install while still warmed in order to increase the suction power. Some people say to add dish soap to that too. I did. Visit www.nature-anywhere.com/blogs/bird-feeding-academy for tips, tricks, and tons of bird-related fun. Maybe the short version of that, www.nature-anywhere.com. To squirrel-proof your bird's eye view, make sure to install at least 10 feet away from trees and overhanging gutters and gables. Install as high as possible above your window sill. Important, you are not guaranteed. Here's the outside view. I ended up moving the bird feeder around a couple more times before I got results. What I had said before, important, you are not guaranteed. It just says on this little informational brochure. Please note that the guarantee does not cover birds using the feeder. Birds are free to fly where they choose and feed where they will. That's why we love them. Alright guys, that makes for a video. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the abrupt ending there. But yeah, birds do fly where they will. And hopefully they end up in the bird feeder a few times and we get to enjoy seeing them. So thanks for watching. Do remember to subscribe and hit the notification button. God bless.